Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Strong Coffee and Caf-Lib with Chicory Beige Edition. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. And then you go ahead and you open up the container of Caf-Lib with Chicory, the mix, and you pour in a little bit of water, which is warm. And last but not least, for second last thing, you pour in the strong coffee from this percolator there into this mug, and last but not least now is the milk. I stir it up, and there you go, folks. Here is your iced strong coffee with Caf-Lib and Chicory Beige Edition. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.